Alright, welcome back to my video, and this is my boss desk. Can I just add some style to make it more cooler with LED style? You know, I really love LEDs, you know, and I think I should ask my boss first. Tada! Saya mau buat LED di Hi, alright, what actually we need to make an LED desk? Of course, the first thing that we will need is an LED. And we need more LEDs. We will need some kind of AC adapters, some more LED controllers. We'll need that's called a foam double tape. Last but not least, we'll need a power lamp. So now I'm going to do the solderings, and now I'm gonna put this wire to this LED. So that's the simple setup. I want to change this bulb. I want to change the color. So I'm gonna apply some kind of RGB bulb. RGB bulb like bulb is like this. Look, this is so big. So yeah, just plug the things and put there. And for the upper side, I bought this. As a Bluetooth speaker bulb, so you can connect your phone and you can listen to the music through this thing. Because this is a Bluetooth bulb, so I'm just gonna connect to my phone, and it's connected. It says so.
Are you with me tonight?
So yeah, it's controlled. And the good thing is you can control with this. So when you click next, it's gonna be next. So it's gonna change like I told you. I'm gonna change this keyboard into RGB keyboard and mouse also. So what do you think?
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's really dark actually.
Thank you so much.
So yeah, this is the LED. What do you think I should add more? Or you like it already?
I
Or
really like it. It's great.
so this is the table, and thanks to watch my video. See ya at see ya at the next video. Bye bye.